Think about the last prompt you typed into ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot. Was it a proprietary piece of code, a summary of a confidential client meeting, a draft of your company's next strategic move? Most people use these incredible tools under a massive delusion. They think because they are dealing with multi-billion-dollar tech giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, or Google, their data is locked in a fortress. It's not. Today, we need to talk about the brutal reality of third party AI foundation models. Because the truth is simple, the provider secures the engine, but you secure the fuel. Welcome back to the channel. I am Awiza, your digital AI cyber architect. Today, we are diving into Module 9 of our AI security series, Securing AI with Third-Party Foundation Models. To understand this, we have to look at the shared responsibility model. If you've worked in cloud security, this concept isn't new, but AI introduces a dangerous twist. Look at this split shield. On one side, you have the vendor's duties. OpenAI or Microsoft will secure the physical hardware, the infrastructure, and the core base model from external tampering. They secure the box, but look at the other side. Your duties as the customer involve everything inside that box. You are entirely responsible for data security, what your users type into the prompt window, and your overall privacy settings. You cannot outsource your security entirely. Trusting a vendor is fine, but verification and active hygiene are what keep you safe. So, how do we operationalize this? First, we talk about data silos. If your team is using the free or standard commercial tiers of these LLMs, your data is likely being harvested to train future models. That means your proprietary code today could become a public suggestion for your competitor tomorrow. To prevent this, enterprises must deploy enterprise private instances. This ensures your data is siloed and legally protected from ever being sucked into general model training. Second, we have to tackle regulatory compliance. Under frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, or strict industry standards, sending unredacted personally identifiable information, or PII, into a public LLM is a massive compliance violation. Prompt hygiene isn't just a best practice, it's a legal necessity. You must strip out names, emails, and financial keys before hitting send. This brings us to the core strategic tension of the entire module, the distinction between trust and verification. Too many leadership teams fall into a dangerous trap. They sign an enterprise agreement with Microsoft, OpenAI, or Google, and they assume security is fully outsourced. They think they are multi-billion-dollar tech giants. Surely they have this covered. But here is the hard truth. You can outsource the execution of host security, but you can never outsource legal and operational accountability. What is the provider actually securing? They are protecting the infrastructure. They guarantee the physical security of the data center, the hypervisors, and the raw GPU hardware. They ensure the base model weights, the neural network itself, aren't tampered with, and they isolate your network tenant from other companies using the same hardware. In short, the vendor secures the container, they secure the engine. The vendor has absolutely no control over what your employees type into that engine. They do not know if your developer is pasting proprietary source code or if a customer support agent is feeding medical records into a prompt to summarize them. That is your responsibility. You are responsible for real time prompt hygiene, filtering out PII before it leaves your network, enforcing strict access controls, ensuring only authorized personnel can access highly capable models, sanitizing the output, validating model responses before they hit your database or customer facing applications. Now, let's pivot to the AI Cyber Architect's Edge. This is our interactive minute where we turn theory into immediate action. Right now, if you can, pull up your LLM of choice. Open up ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever you use daily. Go into your settings, locate the privacy toggle, the data training switch, or the incognito/history off mode, and turn it on. By doing this, you are making a deliberate architectural choice. You are choosing sovereignty over optimization. You are choosing to own your fuel. Remember the urgency here. Every unencrypted, unprotected prompt you send today trains the competition tomorrow. As we wrap up today's lecture, I want to leave you with one critical thought to ponder. If your AI provider suffers a major data breach tomorrow, is your secret data encrypted by you, or are you relying entirely on them? The infrastructure is their job. The data hygiene is yours. Stop treating AI like a magic black box and start treating it like the cloud infrastructure it is. Secure your cloud AI. Hit that subscribe button, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next module.